For those of you out there who don't deal with electrical repairs too often, especially at home and inside a car, apart from standard tools like wire cutters and pliers, it would also be sensible to have this universal and rather simple crimper-stripper CT-1108. This small handy device can be used to perform most of the electrical and wire operations at a small scale. It can be used to cut wires, strip them, and crimp insulated terminals. The universal crimper-stripper is made in such a way that its front end has convenient wire cutters. You can also cut wires using special calibrated holes. It's very convenient, especially when it comes to thick wires. The front end also has crimping devices for insulated terminals. With such for thicker terminals located in the lower part of the device in question. Calibrated holes that are used to strip wires are located closer to the handle. I will show you how to use this crimper to quickly and conveniently strip and crimp the wire and supply it with an insulated terminal. We find the hole that fits our wire in the lower part of the device. We strip the wire and cut it at the required length. Now we insert the terminal and use the same universal crimper-stripper we use it to crimp the wire. This crimper is certainly not the best fit for industrial application, but it can become a really useful assistant at home or in a car.